Hello friends, welcome to Bhavya's Learning Planet. In this video, we are going to learn 20 lines on Indian Constitution Day that is celebrated every year on 26 November. Constitution Day is celebrated on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. The Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950. It is also called National Law Day or Samvidhan Diwas as the Indian Constitution is the supreme law of our country. In the year 2015, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi marked November 26 as Constitution Day in India to celebrate the 125th birthday of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Constitution is a set of rules that are written, authorized and approved by the people. Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution of any sovereign country in the world. It has 448 articles and 12 schedules placed in 25 sections. It includes the 6 fundamental rights, directive principles and 11 fundamental duties of the citizens. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to prepare the final draft of the Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee, which 6 other members had began functioning by October 1947. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as Chief Architect of the Indian Constitution or Father of the Indian Constitution. The original document of the Constitution was handwritten by Prem Bihari Narendra Zaida. Each page was decorated by artists from Shanti Niketan. The original Constitution was written both in English and Hindi. It picked the best features from the Constitution of other countries like Britain, USA, Canada, Australia, Russia, South Africa and Japan. The preamble says that India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. The original copies of the Indian Constitution are kept safe in special helium-filled cases in the Library of the Parliament of India. Over 2,000 amendments were made before it was finalised. As January 25, 2020, the Constitution has been amended 104 times. We should pledge to become an Indian who follows our Constitution and make our country proud. Thanks for watching the video.